In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign agents to groups in Freshdesk so tickets can be routed to the right support team. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click off, and a few best practices to keep things organized and efficient. First, open Freshdesk and log in. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has the right permissions, typically an admin or someone with access to team settings. If you don't see certain options later on, it's often a permissions issue, so check with your admin if needed. Once you're on your Freshdesk dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Admin. This is the control center for configuration. Everything related to teams, workflows, and ticket routing lives here, so it's the right place to manage who belongs to which support group. Inside Admin, find the section labeled Team and Click Groups. Groups in Freshdesk are essentially collections of agents who handle similar types of requests. Think billing, technical support, or onboarding. Organizing agents into the right groups helps your ticket assignment rules work properly and keeps response times consistent. Next, select the group you want to update by clicking its name. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct group. Adding agents to the wrong team can lead to misrouted tickets or uneven workloads. If your organization uses naming conventions like Level 1 Support or Premium Care, this is a good time to follow them. In the group settings, look for the section called Agents or Members. The label may vary depending on your plan or UI version, but it serves the same purpose. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the group's page. This is where you'll control who is part of this group. Click Add Agents. A list or search field will appear. Use the search bar to quickly find the people you want, especially in larger teams. When choosing agents, consider their role and skill set. Only licensed agents can be added, so if someone doesn't appear in the list, they may not have an agent role yet. Select the agents you want to include in the group. You can usually add multiple people at once. Double-check your selections to make sure you're adding the right team members. Finally, click Save or Update Group to apply the changes. Your updates take effect immediately, and any assignment rules or automations that rely on this group will start using the new member list. That's it. Your agents are now properly assigned, and your ticket routing will be more accurate and efficient.